Hi, Nancy Catalano, and I just want to share a couple fall garden thoughts with you. And there we go. There's my little puppy who loves to photobomb my videos, so don't mind her. But anyway, just a couple things to think of when planning your garden. You want to have color, and it's very easy to have gorgeous color in June and July, but gee, gosh, what happens in October? So think about what flowers you can plant that will be blooming late into the season. So you can see right here at the front edge, I have yellow, red, and white mums. The white ones haven't even started blooming yet. And the red ones have just started, and the yellow is in full bloom. So those will last for a little while. And also these orange daylilies, which are absolutely not my favorite at all. I keep them because they just bloom for an insane length of time. The volcano phlox, this blooms from June to October. It's magnificent. And the aroma will just knock you over. It is so pretty, and it comes in a variety of colors. The Augustaceae, again, this is my absolute favorite. You can probably see the bumblebees in there. It is covered with bees. And the black-eyed Susans, which bloom for so long, you almost just get sick of them. It's absolutely incredible. But they really are fabulous, and they bloom from mid-July to October. But what I want to point out, and if you look over here, this Echinacea is so pathetic, okay? They're beautiful in July. I love them, but I will tell you not to deadhead them. Do not touch them. Leave them alone, because they provide an important food source for particularly the golden finch, but many birds love to eat the seeds. You'll get chickadees and nuthatches and goldfinches and purple finches, and everybody else is going to come in and eat these seeds. And a lot of these birds are year-round residents, so in December, January, when nothing's in bloom, this is a very important food source for them. And the added benefit is that if you leave these seeds alone, these plants will self-seed, and you'll have even more flowers next year. So I don't deadhead the Echinacea until pretty late in the season. I'm going to come out when there's absolutely nothing left on them in probably January or February. I kind of, play it by ear, but I mean, it's that late. And the other thing they love are the black-eyed Susans. So if you can leave the black-eyed Susans, they will eat the brown center of the black-eyed Susan, which provides, again, an important food source for the birds in the winter. And here's another example. This red lobelia, this is a cardinal lobelia, and it grows about 4 or 5 feet high. It's absolutely magnificent when it's in bloom in July, but here we are in September and it's looking really pathetic. But I have not deadheaded this because this is a favorite food source of hummingbirds. And the hummingbirds right now, they are seasonal in this area, and they're getting ready to migrate. And they need to fatten up. They need a lot of calories because they are going to be flying thousands of miles. So this is an important food source for hummingbirds. And one more thing I want to point out is this Nellie Stevens Ilex, which is magnificent. This is, I don't know if you can see these berries. It is covered with huge bunches of berries, which are green right now. They're not ripe yet, but when that ripens, this ilex is going to be covered with bright orange berries, which is another important food source for some of the year-long residents in the area. Cedar waxwings will swoop in and pick this clean. In addition, the cardinals and finches, and everybody loves to eat these. So anyway, just a couple thoughts for the fall garden. Everybody, I hope you have an awesome day and are enjoying the sunshine. Take care.